Welcome everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use audio from other users' Instagram Reels in your own Reels. We'll start off by opening up the Instagram app on our phone. And now in order to get the other person's audio, you want to go to the Reels tab at the bottom or navigate to the reel you actually want to use the audio from. And at the bottom right, you can see the audio playing next to the three dots. Now I want to click the audio, and in here you can see 83k reels used the audio used. You can then click save audio if you want to use it later on or in the future. And at the bottom you can see you can see use audio. You want to click that, and at this point you are going to create a reel, an Instagram reel, using the audio you just clicked. You can then go ahead and create your reel. So record it, preview, next, and then you can click share, and you have successfully used audio from other users' Instagram Reels to create your own. I hope this video could help you out. If it did, please leave a like. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.